Hello everyone. Today, November 1st, is World Vegan Day, and I wanted to celebrate by sharing with you some resources that I wish I had access to when I was younger. Now, I'm very grateful for coming across this lifestyle, mainly because it really has changed my outlook on life, the way I approach food, people, and just in general terms, my morality, And I would like to thank my brother for being the catalyst for this change. Because without him, I'm not sure if I'd be here in front of you right now. So let's start with some documentaries. I think the documentaries are a good foot in the door because they cram a lot of information into a relatively short period of time. So I'll start with the freshest, hottest new documentary, which is The Game Changers, out now on Netflix. I'm not sure if it will be for months to come, but that has to deal with athletic performance and diet. Then we have What the Health, which focuses on health, of course. Related to that is the Forks Over Knives documentary. And then we have Cowspiracy, which focuses mainly on the environmental impact that large-scale animal agriculture has. After that, we got Dominion and Earthlings, both very powerful documentaries, and they have hidden camera footage that shows what goes on in these large-scale animal agriculture businesses. And not just that, they go into the fur industry, they go into animal testing, and just a bunch of areas in which we treat animals like products and how we mistreat them in that process, really. And those can be a little tougher to watch, I know, but just remember this: if it's not good enough for your eyes, then why is it good enough for your stomach? And that leads me to my next set of recommendations. Now, these recommendations will be YouTube channels, and I'll start with the Gary Yourofsky one. I specifically recommend a particular video from him, which is The Most Important Speech You'll Ever Hear. And from there, we have Joey Carpstrong, Mike the Vegan, Happy Healthy Vegan, Vegan Gains, Earthling Ed, Plant-Based News, NutritionFacts.org, the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine, Simnet Nutrition, Pickup Limes, Avant-Garde Vegan, Caitlin Shoemaker, Vegan Richa, and the list can really go on from there, but I'll stop. These channels provide a lot of useful information, some good entertainment if you're into it, and even recipes, so there's good sources for anything you might be interested in. So check them all out. They all provide a little bit of something different, and you'll find the channel that you'll like eventually. These are just the ones that I enjoy. Now, if you're interested in health, I recommend these doctors and their publications. So we have Dr. Michael Greger with NutritionFacts.org, which I've mentioned plenty of times, I imagine. He has one book and another book coming out: How Not to Die, which is out, and How Not to Diet, which is coming out. Super recommend him. Very energetic speaker and packed with a ton of information on evidence-based nutrition. Next, we have Dr. Neil Barnard and his organization, the Physicians Committee for Responsible Medicine. He has a few publications under his belt, but I highly recommend The Cheese Trap from him, which goes into detail why people struggle with giving up dairy products. Then we have Colin T. Campbell and his famous China study, which sparked a lot of people to make changes and is also a main focus of the documentary Forks Over Knives. Then we have Dr. John McDougall and the Starch Diet. Last but not least, there is also Dr. Dean Ornish and his book Undo It. He practices a holistic approach to this, which he says, I think it's eat well, love more, stress less, move more, something like that. But definitely check him out if you're interested in a holistic approach to taking care of yourself so that you can live a long, happy, and healthy life. And that's about it, man. I want to make it as succinct as possible, this video. I'm gonna spend the rest of my day celebrating Happy Healthy Vegan Day. What can I say? So definitely check out these resources. I hope you find something that interests you. And if not, feel free to share some resources that you found or that you wanted to hear about but maybe I didn't mention. And stay cool, guys. I'll see you around. Ciao, ciao.
Man, y'all just don't know about this life I'm living right now, man. I'm just fucking loving life, bro. Just gotta love that life, bro. Mwah. Love that shit. Love that shit.